Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here at Tipella Backcountry getting our brand new rooftop tent. This tent is a brand new one to Tipella as well, as it is a full aluminum hard shell tent that you can also put extra storage on top. Obviously it uses the additional roof rails to do so, and if you have kids like us, you definitely know the extra storage is amazing. Kids take up a lot of space, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this video as I take you through the new tent, aka the Lil Sylvester tent. And if you're wanting to get more details on this tent or Tipella Backcountry themselves, be sure to hit the link in the description down below. Let's dive into the features of this tent. To start off, there are two locking latches on the side, and as you can see, the lid is super easy to open with just a slight push, and it opens slow and steady. On the front of the tent, you have got your shoe bag and a storage bag. On the underside, you have some hooks that you can put on a light or whatever you may need. There are also two USB LED light strips on the underside of the tent, and there is one on the inside of the tent as well. One feature I really love about this tent is its all black ladder. This is a fully adjustable ladder up to 7.5 feet, and it is self-collapsible. Coming to the inside of the tent, it is very visually appealing. You got your windows and skylight, of course, and the extra storage on the back. One cool accessory that Tipella has is what they call a cocoon. So it is an insulation for your tent. It keeps you warm on those cold nights, and if there happens to be some sort of breeze, you won't even feel it. Well, that is basically it. All the other features are kind of basically what you see across all tents, with like the tent poles, of course, holding open the windows and door. One other cool thing is it does have the bungee that goes across the tent walls when closing, so then you don't have to worry about stuffing anything in when you're trying to get the lid closed. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you want more information on this tent or just Tipella in general, I'll have both links in the description down below. Also, I'm not sure if you noticed, but there was an off-road trailer in the beginning of the video. That is also something Tipella does. They build off-road trailers, which is super awesome, so be sure to check that out as well if you head to their website. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll catch you next time.